Hey, what's up, Harmony holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Harmony. So, my friends, what's going on this time in Harmony? What's the current price? What's the price in Harmony? In this video, I will show you, friends. And people ask me questions about Harmony, that can Harmony will make us millionaire or not? So, tell me in the comment box, you also, that can make us or not. Tell me. My prediction about Harmony is 100% positive, and I believe that they will make us millionaire. They will make us millionaire, my friends. You can see here the currently latest price of the Harmony as 0.09921 at USD dollar is the currently price of the Harmony. On the other side, if you look the price change according to Harmony, so the pricing is the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. Absolutely, I'm very happy that now and the last 1 hour Harmony start jumping, so I'm very happy to see this kind of jumps according to Harmony. Anyways, let's see the price chart. What's going on this time in Harmony, my friends? Wow, absolutely, the last 1 hour pricing is a quick jump of Harmony. Quick jump hooker and a Harmony this time in the market, and I'm feeling very happy. How do you feel about Harmony today? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. Tell me in the comment box. So, my friends, after seeing the updates, there is no doubt to Harmony will make you rich and June, my friends. There is no doubt. Congratulations, you are the future millionaire if you hold Harmony. If you said you will not get anything, and if you hold, absolutely you will get profit from Harmony. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.